What's going on, you all? Welcome back to Timsta. Today we're checking out the eye tracking and hand tracking features of Quest. Now this is on a Quest Pro, but trust me, I know this could possibly come towards that end of the year of a Quest 2. I guess that cutoff timetable, or if not, definitely a Quest 3. So it's always good to see these types of features early so that we're already in the know of what's going on. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'm excited for this. This is just more of a raw. Shout out to, I think, Old Raspberry, I believe, on Reddit. So shout out to them for showing it out on Reddit, man. So let's go ahead and check it out. So right here already, so opening up, you see bookmarks. You see, I came to love it. So they do have bookmarks within the book. That's insane for the AI. You can see some of like the fingers too. It's already all lit up. So that mixed reality aspirations already really coming to fruition, which is dope. They can tap to play. I came to love the mountains. You got weather up there. I think that's pretty sick. Whoa, and they're swiping it on over with their hand. I like it. I'm someone that checks the weather every day, man. I like to go jogging and stuff, so that's dope. Window. No, wait. I'm gonna check that weather feature again. That's too fresh, man, that weather feature. Got window aspects. Now, this is really cool. This is like, I mean, it depends on if you're interested in smart houses and smart homes or just smart features. I think that this is something that is next level for sure. I would love to do this with the augmented mixed reality more and just being able to do that with your hands. I think that is like, that's too cool. So the windows is dope. So both windows are connected. I wonder if it is like a smart home feature aspect with the mixed reality. So you can turn, is that turning down the AC? Is that what they were doing? Yeah, they're turning down the AC. That's crazy. So you're gripping that. You see that? So you could swipe with the actual components of weather. You can tap for books, and you can, when you is he thumbs down? Is that what that is? So thumbs down to like actually turn down that temperature, thumbs up. So thumbs up to really go, then thumbs down. That is dope. Was this music? So they got their music right here going down. That is fresh, bro. Oh, on the wrist. Yo, hold on. We got to see what that says actually. So they're playing something up. So on the wrist, you see everything. They're popping out. So notifications of everything like a smartwatch. So they are about to open it up. It says, hey, can you? So they are checking out text and stuff. So you can sit, you see right there on the hand where it says next reply. This is very in depth, by the way. Man, that is cool. That is dope. So there's a new feature that's not available yet. What is that? Just like being able to like speak. Is it text to speech? Is that what that is? I think right here it says, sorry, this feature is not available yet. So there's probably more features coming around, right? It says yet. So assuming text to speech just to talk to somebody. That's dope, man. So changing out that jukebox. Water me now. Is that what it said on the flowers? That's dope. It says water me now. So you just kind of, oh, that's dope, man. Next watering. It times the watering too. Man, that is cool. That like another hour the watering was going. So check out the stocks updates on news. Is that saying like how much battery is left in those? Is that what that is? I think that is. So these need to be charged possibly, and that's how much battery is left. So I think that's what it said. Let's try it right here. That could be like a battery feature. I don't know. I'm still new to all this. Man, so that is pretty cool. So a lot of the features, I think my favorite one is definitely the window and the weather aspects. I think that is pretty dope. Like how they swipe it through. That's pretty cool. That's one of my favorite ones so far. I like the windows also. The windows is real gangster, man. To do that, that's a gangster right there, man. When you're doing stuff like that, that's a flex. I'll be doing that for sure, like in public, man, like at my house. I like the AC format too. Or is that an AC format? I believe, yeah, because it says Celsius right there. The smartwatch innovative features are pretty cool. Like to have it ingrained in your skin like that. I think that's also pretty dope. I'm pretty sure when they have like more like Siri-like features, Alexa type features, of course, their own version meta. I think that's going to be awesome. Y'all got to let me know what's up. Y'all let me know what's y'all's favorite features, man. I appreciate y'all. Hit us up. Peace.